Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your listing on the Autotrader platform. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in autotrader.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Autotrader website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your email address and your password. After you have been logged in, if you wish to delete any post, listing or advertisement that you have made for your vehicle, then just click on the profile icon at the top right corner and you will now see the Manage My Ad button. Just click on the Manage My Ad button and now this will show you all of your ads that you have posted on your Autotrader account. You can simply tap on any ad that you wish to delete and you can make your desired edits, or you can also delete this ad by tapping on the delete option. After confirming your choice to delete this ad, your ad will be deleted from the Autotrader platform. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your ad that you have placed on Autotrader. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.